I had difficulty deciding initially whether or not I should have a treatment done to remove this excess fat. And it was because basically, I'm a mom, should I really be thinking about myself? I should be focusing on my children and thinking about other things that are more important. But I came to the realization that my confidence and my thinking about myself really does play a part in my children's lives and my husband's lives and my family's lives. So I decided that yes, this was important for me to do. I started to look into surgical procedures. I wanted to research more about liposuction, but I really did not like the surgical aspect of that. I didn't want surgery. But I was just so longing to get rid of this area that I felt that it deserved some research. I found that this new procedure with the CoolSculpting, it didn't require any surgery and it didn't require any downtime. People who had tried it were extremely happy with the results, and it was just for small areas, which is exactly what I was looking for. So I felt that I didn't have anything to lose. We love to go to the pool and to the beach often. So when I see other moms, many moms come up to me and they say, I can't believe that you have twins. They are just shocked that I have had twins. And in many situations, I have to tell them how I was able to lose those last areas on my stomach. I don't have to wear the extra cover-ups, and I don't have to wear the special mom suits. We know what those mom suits are. Which is fine, but if you don't need it, then why do it? After the procedure, I got dressed and went home and did my normal everyday activities. Went out to dinner that night and I was feeling great. The results from this procedure have stayed the same since I have had the final outcome, but it wasn't an extreme difference so that family and friends weren't saying, well, what did you have done? I was just getting compliments and saying, wow, I wonder what you've been doing, you look great, or that outfit looks really nice on you. Just different small compliments that really made a big difference to me. My husband absolutely loves it, and I just can't tell you the difference that it's made. He truly feels like he is with his wife that had the same body before she had children. It's just an amazing, amazing feeling. He makes more comments and says more things because I am able to wear the clothing that I wore before having children. So he can compliment a little bit more, and it's just wonderful. That in turn boosts my confidence. So it really has made a difference in our relationship.